If you're keeping up with international relations, you might have heard that President Trump went to China and was hosted by President Xi Jinping. And ऐसे में मतलब President Trump acts like all high and mighty, but इधर Xi Jinping ने बहुत प्यार से उनकी बेइज्जती करके वापस भेज दिया. So much so that later on he had to write this when President Xi very elegantly referred to the United States as perhaps being a declining nation. मतलब एक तो बेइज्जती करवाई और ऊपर से उसको जस्टिफाई करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. अब obviously Xi Jinping did not say it directly, very elegantly क्यों लिखा है? Because Xi Jinping instead said that what he hoped to avoid was the US and China falling into what is known as the Thucydides trap. The Thucydides trap is a reference to the Peloponnesian War. Peloponnesian War क्या है? It was a Greek against Greek fight, and Greek against Greek fight में हो क्या रहा था वहाँ पे? That the Spartans, which were the more established power, saw the rise of the Athenian democracy as a threat, and therefore they tried to have a war कि भाई मतलब इनको पहले ही दबा दो. China likened itself to Athens कि भाई we are the new rising power, and Sparta is the Americans, the old power which is afraid of the new one. But more importantly than this, once President Trump goes out of power, which he will in the next couple of years, there is no clear line of succession which wants to be this belligerent against China. Particularly, Gavin Newsom की अगर हम बात करें, who is said to be a front runner in the next presidential election from the Democratic Party, Gavin Newsom has already accepted the fact कि Americans are not the big power anymore. And this is what China Daily has written about, कि we welcome people like Gavin Newsom to come to China, because these people have accepted the reality that China is the new power. Things are shifting really fast, and ऐसे में इंडिया को अपना बीच में से एक मिडिल पाथ निकालना है जिसमें शांति से अगर बैठे रहो, टाइम बाइड करो and keep growing. That is the best way out.